To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then tap on the settings gear icon beside the search icon. Swipe up to scroll down. And locate the Your Activity section. Then, navigate to the Activity Log. Swipe up to scroll down again. And find the Security and Login Information section, then tap on it. A menu will appear, showing the Where You're Logged In option. Tap on it. You will see a list of devices, where your Facebook account is currently logged in, along with the login time and IP address. If you notice any unfamiliar devices, tap the three dots next to the device. Then, select Log Out from the menu that appears. Facebook will then immediately disconnect your account from that device, preventing further access. If the device was being used without your authorization, it's recommended that you change your password to secure your account. So that's how you can check where you're logged in on Facebook and secure your account.